Signing up for Beacons.ai is simple. First, go to Beacons.ai and click Sign Up or Get Started. You can sign up using your email, Google account, or social media like Instagram or TikTok. This allows for quick verification and linking to your existing profiles. After signing up, enter basic details like your username, bio, and a profile picture. Beacons.ai will then generate a unique URL for your link in bio page, such as beacons.ai/yourname. Finally, select the plan that suits your needs. The free account allows up to 5 links, while the premium unlocks more. Start by choosing from various templates like minimalist, e-commerce, or creator-focused designs that match your brand. Add links using customizable buttons, icons, or embedded content like videos, images, and forms to direct your audience. Take advantage of built-in analytics to track clicks, visitor demographics, and identify your most popular links. Integrate with platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Shopify to embed live streams, videos, and shoppable content directly. Add donation buttons or affiliate links to monetize your page and turn followers into customers. A well-set link in bio page can increase engagement by 20 to 30%, funneling followers to all your destinations. Leverage Beacons.ai's AI features to reduce setup time by up to 50% with auto-generated layouts.